Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do like a nice soft dewy glistening simple makeup, if that is even a word, simple makeup here on my channel. So yeah, आज का video let's just quickly start. बहुत सारे products हैं मेरे आगे to make my face glowy and dewy, so let's just begin. सबसे पहले I'm going to use this Total Control Drop Primer from NYX. So quickly going to just press this onto my skin. Next, for some added glow, I'm just using this liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Just dotted my face with this, and now I'm going to take a synthetic brush and kind of just swoosh it over my face. I'm just going to avoid my under eye area. Just make sure to blend it really nicely. Just make sure to blend it really nicely onto your skin. And there we go, we are done. How is this glowy makeup look, guys? I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Just kidding, of course. So moving on to the foundation, I'm using the NYX HD foundation. This is the Studio Photogenic foundation, and I'm in the shade 103 Natural. I hope this is my shade. Just going to take some at the back of my hand. Oh, before that, I'm just going to quickly do some color correcting. If you don't have too many dark circles, don't bother with this step, of course. I do, so I have to very quickly, very quickly. So on the back of my hand, I have my foundation, and I'm just going to go in with the and dab, and then just bounce the foundation onto my skin directly. And then we move on to the concealer. So the concealer that I have is Makeup Revolution one, and this is in the number C8, and I'm just going to quickly apply that. And I do want to keep the look a little soft, so I'm not going very heavy, but just a little bit of bronze I want on my face. So I'm just doing very little of this. This is the Topaz Tan Illuminating Stick from NYX. Now I'm just going to blend the highlighter, the concealer that I just applied. Next, I'm just going to blend away the bronze. Drop of this. I'm just using my finger to kind of just add a little bit more glow. And this time, I'm not going to apply this all over my face, but just on like the high points of my face. Place it in, because I'm doing so many steps with the liquid highlighter, because as soon as you apply the powder, a lot of it just goes away. I'm just going to take the NYX HD powder and a big powder brush and swirl it into it, tap off any excess, and very lightly just set the entire face. You do have too much going on with the liquid highlighters and everything, so you want to lightly just settle everything into place. But for the under eye area, just the under eye area, I'm just taking a brush, a smaller brush, and I'm just going to press the powder just on just where I just applied the concealer. Moving on, I forgot I had a cream blush, so do this step before you apply your blush. Actually, before you apply your powder, do apply your cream blush before that, but since like we applied like very little powder, I think I will be able to blend this away. So this one is from W7. This is a hint of Rio, and synthetic brush, and I'm just going to put this in place, smile a little so I know the angle, deposit the color, apply like very little of this Essence blush in, I think, Heat Wave. Just gonna tap and just tap here, because then I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and just going to hit it up to add the glow on the face. I'm going to take the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. You can take any bronzer, but just make sure like it's not a very dark color. For this particular look, actually, you just want everything to be soft. So MAC Give Me Sun bronzer is that nice. See how wet the skin looks. Don't skip the bronzer, because even though you want the soft look and everything, you still want some warmth to your face. A makeup setting spray, and this one is an illuminating fixing spray from Makeup Revolution. So I'm just going to go ahead and spritz my face with this. While this sets, let's move on to the eyebrows. I'm going to use this NYX brow pencil to do my brows, and we're going to fast forward this part, but I'm going to keep it in the video so you can like get an idea. Yeah, yes please palette. I'm going to mix these two colors, Big Cocktails and Champs, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix these two and apply them on the crease. And then I'm just going to take this cream eyeshadow stick. Everything is worn off from this. I think this is from Wet n Wild. I don't know the name or nothing. It's like a champagne colored eyeshadow stick. So you can either take like similar color eyeshadow, or you can take a cream stick like this. Totally your choice. So once that is done, you can leave it at that, or you can add a similar color eyeshadow on top of it. So I'm just going to take this eyeshadow. This is a highlighter from the NYX palette. So I'm just going to set this eyeshadow. But you can totally just leave it at that also. Take a small brush and the Maybelline highlighter, and just going to intensify the inner corner and the brow bone highlight. I'm just going to go ahead and take the dark brown. I'm taking the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. It gives crazy volume to your lashes. On to the lips. I'm using this Manna Lip Lot Priming Lip Wand. Yeah. So yeah, the lip color is pretty muted and understated. If you want, you can go ahead with like a brighter lip color with this. I just wanted to keep everything very soft looking. I hope you all enjoyed this dewy, fresh looking, awake, soft skin. I don't know what the hell am I going to call this video. Leave you guys with the outro shots of my model posing thingy, and while you're at it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out on my future videos. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I leave you to it now.